'cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction, you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction, you just can't.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm just going to go behind the scenes on how I shoot in harsh light, my thought processes, my techniques, just my general thoughts on just how I go about it on my shoots, especially when I'm abroad, as you can see in this one in lovely Portugal on the last collective travel event, with some tips and tricks and just my thought processes. As you can see here, is extremely blown out, and that is the main reason I forgot to put my ND filter on the Osmo when Jack here, another photographer that came on the trip, was recording for me for my BTS. And I love shooting in harsh light. Just I believe that the colors really do come out of the center when you shoot in harsh light, for one, and overcast skies. Those are my two best times to shoot.
So good. It's like on your face. So good.
So as you can see here, I've positioned the model side on to the sun. As you can see, the sun is blazing from the right hand side at the top, high in the sky to the right hand side of the model. So I've placed her with one side of her body to the light, one side of her into the shade. So that way when you get certain angles, you can get a full-on shade side of her. And I also have her point her head up, so even when if I'm getting some of her from the side of the sun, it is even, and there's no like the raccoon eyes, there's no shadow of the eyelashes on her face. Love that. Fire. Love that. Fire. Right, and then do something like pulling the, yeah. No, like the whole, yeah, that's it. No. Bring your knees out more, that way. Like, keep legs this way.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh, right.
yeah. And then put your feet in more. That way. Yeah, that's it. And do some with some undone. And as you can see from the results, the shade keeps all the details, and the sun almost acts just like a nice highlight to the certain areas of the body that you kind of want in a nice artistic way.
Oh my god, I hate this song.
I love the sun. I'm literally going to do that exact pose, you know? Damn, it's bright. Ooh. Yeah. Nice. That. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it. Hold that one. Hold that one. Nice. I thought you knocked that down. Oh my god.
I don't have a phone. That was like, I don't have a phone reaction.
Hold that. Hold that. Banging. Do you want to come in like here?
Me?
Yeah.
Over there? Can I ask what's your like what's your comfortable with?
I do topless. You guys are doing that?
Just ask me if I think you want.
Love that. Nice. And then like see you do that stretching forward pose. Yeah, that's it. Bang. Love that. Nice. Love that. Now this is a perfect example to show you when the face isn't angled correctly. You can see she's even frowning because of the sun's in her eyes. You can see the shadow from the eyelashes on the face. It's not a good photo. And if we go to the next shot now, positioned perfectly. A good tip is, if the model can't open their eyes, is obviously keep it shut. It gives more emotion and feel to the image. And also heads tilted back, eyes are closed evenly over the face, and everything is properly exposed, and you can see everything clearly in the image, and you can see a massive difference between the two images and which one looks much better. Keep moving, keep moving. So that's it. Stop it, cheeky. Let me know if I'm in your way. And here's a little bit of insight in how I shoot my reels. Obviously, as you can see, the clip is inserted to the left was shot in 100 FPS, so obviously I sped it up to match the timeline. But what I do is I film 100 FPS, I'll film a clip exactly like this in slow-mo, and then I'll chop it up afterwards. So that's how I kind of get my reels in one take, because I don't like having loads of video files to go through, especially after a week event like this with 10 plus models with thousands of different photos and hundreds of videos to go through. I don't want to have any unnecessary clips basically, so I film exactly like this. I'll chop it up, and that's pretty much how I film all my most of my reels up to the point of this video. So this is obviously 1080p 100 FPS. Now you can see more of this set and the rest of these sets that are on this video on my Patreon, obviously uncensored, and more BTS on there as well. This specific shot here, I positioned her purposely in the shadow just so it can be more even, get a bit more depth of color as well. But also I do like the little streaks of light that were coming through, so I don't necessarily have to care to expose for that properly, because it's not affecting the majority of the shot, which can make for a nice arty shot with some light streaks coming through. You can see more of this set that is posted on my Instagram, so you can check that out for the full set. What happened, everybody? We are on the trip, the collective trip, or day one. We've done a little shoot already, but we're about to eat now. Here's the girls. Wait. There you go.